to my channel, y'all. So I am back with another video for you guys, and I'm going to be trying out the new Lotta Body Milk and Honey line. So if you watched my previous video, in my curl kit box, this came in a box, and so I promise y'all I'll be doing a demo on it. So I have decided to do a wash and go because yeah, so I have to run errands today and I have stuff to do, and yeah, and so and plus I love wash and goes, y'all. Everybody, if you not watching me long enough, you know I love me some wash and goes. Okay, I love them. They're very cute. They're convenient. Yeah, and they're cute. So is my hair dry? Well, it's not dry like that, but of course it need to be replenished and everything else. And y'all, yes, I got my robe on, and yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna be washing my hair, and I didn't want it to get messy. And yes, I did change locations. I'm in my downstairs bathroom, and because I wanted y'all to really see the curl pattern and stuff like that. And I noticed it shows better. I may be tripping, but I guess it's a closer view in here, and the lighting here is not too bright and it's not too dim. So but yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna be using first the Lotta Body Milk and Honey Restore Me Cream Shampoo. Now I ain't gonna lie, my husband already used some, and also using my kids' hair. I used the whole line, so I'll show you guys at the end of this video how it looked. Now it came out really good in their hair. Like, their hair is still moisturized. It left them, like, the scent of their hair smells really freaking good, y'all. So, and this is it. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair in the next room, and then I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so as far as the shampoo goes, how I like it, well, first, y'all, the first thing I'm doing, of course, is I am scrubbing my scalp first, and then I kind of work my way towards the ends of my hair. Baby, I had that sewing for a while, for like 2 weeks. But oh my gosh, okay, all right. I'm going downward, but I'm gonna finish the rest in the sink. And I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so as far as the shampoo, how it left my hair, I don't know. My hair is, it's not like, it kind of has moisture towards the roots and like right here. But yeah, I mean, I would say it is moisturizing to an extent, but overall it does, my scalp does feel a little bit clean. But overall I do like the results as far as the shampoo goes. As far as my hair feeling clean, my scalp feels very airy, and as far as the moisture goes, my hair does feel a little bit soft. It don't feel dry like that compared to other shampoos. But yeah, let's get into the conditioner. Alright, so I'm gonna get into the Lotta Body honey milk with Milk Honey Restore Me Cream Conditioner. And for this one, I'm going to section off my hair. Alright, so as far as the conditioner goes, it's really creamy, y'all. Like, this conditioner reminds me of like some styler cream. I don't know why. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see. Ooh, hold on. Y'all see it? It reminds me of like some styler cream. I don't know. It's not your typical conditioner consistency. All right, let's see how this fell off my hair. Let's see, y'all. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Oh my gosh. I can roll my hair. Oh. Okay. Oh wow. Now I like that. Oh. Is a go for me. It's not like no, I can't really explain it, y'all. It's like my hair, I don't know, it went on, it didn't go on super silky, but it kind of, it just really, I don't know, it's like it really soaked into my curls and then began to separate my curls effortlessly, y'all. Like, y'all see that? Y'all, I can't, that's crazy. I like that. And I noticed, I don't know why, like, I never thought that a honey conditioner or anything that's honey in it, I didn't think that it will like work in my hair for some odd reason. I don't know why. Cause I use honey in like my hair treatments and stuff, like real honey, and that works for me. But like in the past, like years ago, like I had terrible experiences with honey. But of course that's like early stages when you're natural, so of course it's like trial and error with that. Alright y'all, so this is my hair, and y'all, it's like my hair is really soft. It's really soft, y'all. It's like it literally melted in my hair, and I was able to separate and finger detangle and stuff like that. And this is my hair. This is the shedded hair, y'all. This is after 2 weeks and some days. All right, y'all, so this conditioner says leave in for 10 to 15 minutes, y'all. So leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, wrap your hair with a plastic wrap or a bag or whatever you want to do, and wash it out. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be right. So I had just washed the conditioner out, and yeah, let's see the results. So I had to kind of get some of this water out my hair, y'all, because obviously you see my freaking whole robe is wet up, okay? But it's cool. So yeah, this is my hair. And the big reveal, y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay. All right, y'all. So I don't know what happened. I think I done overdried my hair. I literally had my dress on my head for like less than a minute, and my hair is like acting like it's drying up. Okay, we're just gonna move along. All right, y'all, so the next product I'm going to be using is their Nourish Me leave-in conditioner. It's like this, y'all. It's like this, y'all. Like this. It's like this, y'all. And I don't know why I love products that has like this size on it. Like, just squeeze it out. Like, so convenient, so easy to distribute. Like. And then, y'all, I'm gonna be following up with Define Me Curl Define Mousse. All right, y'all. So this one has a medium hold for soft curls, so it's not one of those. It's not gonna leave your hair crunchy or anything like that. It's supposed to leave your hair defined but not crunchy. Okay, so that's a medium hold for those who don't really know. All right, y'all. So I done kind of put some on the leave-in conditioner on this section a little bit because my behind didn't section out my hair first, so I just went ahead and just slapped it on them. But I'm gonna add a little bit more, y'all. I don't know why stuff keep falling in the sink, y'all. All these. All right, so as far as slippage and all this stuff and how it goes on my hair, it kind of leaves. It's like a it's like a weird feeling. It's like it's not going on like super sleek or super silky or anything like that, but this is how my hair looks. Okay, and so I'm going to be adding the Defiant Mousse on top. Let me just get a little bit more. So I had, this is 3 squirts. Cause I know I'm heavy-handed. Oh man. Y'all, I just been itching to really see how this bad boy gonna look like with the wash and go. Like, I hope this thing come out really good. Ooh. Y'all, that was 2 more squirts, y'all. So like 5 dang gonna squirt, y'all. Oh, oh. It reminds me of the Dukes. I don't know. Well, I did a review on that one too. I think it's Dukes, D-O-U-X. In order to really clump the curls, you really gonna have to add way more than 2-3 squirts. Okay, it depends on your hair. Like my hair is, you know, my hair is like a whole lot. Okay, but ooh, I like that, y'all. Okay, so it's going on my hair smoothly. It reminds me of the Dukes. It definitely reminds me of that. Y'all, so far, I don't know. Like, I like it. Like, I really do like it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so far, as you can see, the definition is crazy. Like, look at that. And it's going on so soft. Now, I know it's like the top of my hair, like from right here. I have like a slightly different texture. So it's going on it very smoothly versus the back, because the back is more coily. As you can see, it's like, you see it, the difference. My hair been like for years, ever since I've been like, my hair just like that. I got about 6 textures, y'all. Oh, I really like this combo, y'all. I really do, because I do work a lot and I want mine to do my hair like this and just go. I don't know why, y'all, but my favorite part is putting on the actual boost. I don't know why. It's like so relaxing, like just to hear it. It's like a ASMR. Like, I don't know. Is it me, y'all? Because I purposely watch certain videos, like hair videos, where they're doing like wash and goes, and you hear the and you see like their hair, like seeing how their hands comb through their hair and stuff like that, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, like comment or right below, y'all, if y'all ever did that, because I don't know, like watching hair videos is so relaxing to me. Like, people can watch food, but I don't know, if I watch food mukbangs, I don't know, I like more of a topic type of mukbang, like they're actually talking about something versus me watching them eat. But that's just me. But as far as hair, like, I like to watch hair just to watch them brush through it. I watch like how their hands just, like, I don't know what it is, y'all. Like, I've been like for years, I don't know, and just seeing how people is making like a ASMR. It's for natural hair videos. It's not a lot of it, but I've seen like a couple people do it, and oh my gosh, like the way it, I don't know, it's something about, like, it's just so much beauty in just natural hair. Like, and it seemed like nowadays, like, natural hair is not as big. Like, it's still big, but it's not as trendy, I guess. But you know, we need to bring it back. Like, let's bring back natural hair, y'all. Let's bring it back and have like just women just with curly hair just embrace their natural hair. Like, I understand like the lace fronts coming out, and it's just the talent of it all. Like, how just we can, us people, yes ladies, us, how we can just make a lace front just look so natural. Like, we're just so creative, man. Like even growing up, how I used to like tweak certain weaves, like just to make it my own and just be so creative with it. And I don't know, like blend it, and I don't know, y'all. I don't know. That's why like I always adored natural hair or just anything that was natural, like anything that was our own, you know, own roots. Like it's just so gorgeous. So this is my hair. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to I already done laid down my grown hair. I don't want to call it baby hairs because I'm not a baby. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do like some house chores and stuff like that, and then I'll come back because my hair should be like 80% dry or something like that. So I'm gonna come back with the results and stuff like that. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I am back with the results. So this is I would say a 80% dry. It's 80% dry, y'all. It's not fully dry because the roots is still kind of damp a little bit. So I finished my house chores and I did a couple things around the house, and yeah, my hair is movable. It's not crunchy at all. Like it has like a soft hold to it. It's not, and it's crazy for it to have a soft hold. It is like my hair is defined pretty nicely. Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all. I don't know. I like it. I really do. It's really flowy. Y'all can see it's like. What you say, girl? Oh. Oh my gosh! Like the more and more I look at it, the more and more I'm like, oh, it's so cute. Like it's so cute. And I just love my hair shape, how it's growing out. My hair is growing longer. I will have another limb check in a couple of months because I don't want to do it like every 2 months. Like you're not gonna get no really good results like that. So or not see a huge difference in as far as growth. So I did my edges. So as far as the foam, on how to define my edges, if it laid. Now this side, I never have a problem with this side of my edges being laid, but this side, I don't know, it be tripping. So this one, this side or whatever, like it did lay my edges down pretty nicely. And yeah, so I like it, y'all. I really do. I like it. I love it. But yeah, y'all, so stay tuned for more videos, y'all. And I love y'all. And I will see y'all in my next video. And go ahead and subscribe to my my family channel, No Ordinary Monroes. It's here on YouTube as well. I know I mentioned it before. But go ahead and subscribe to that channel. We haven't vlogged in a very long time, y'all, because we have been extremely busy. For those who came from that channel, who's over here, thank y'all for subscribing. And but yeah, that's coming soon. So we have a lot coming up, y'all. So yeah, it's too much going on, child. But anyways, I love you all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.